Yesterday I discovered that my shower wand holder had come loose from the tower, so didn't really know how to fix it. But I got online, asked a few people on the Brinkley forums, and it looks like I got to take this whole center thing down to get to the back side of it. So just wanted to show you how I did it. Took a razor blade and cut down this caulk just to release this. There's 2 screws under there that I had to unscrew. If you want a tip, get you one of these. It's a Indigo light. It goes on your hat. It's fantastic. And this is what it looks like from the back. Pretty simple. I didn't take it away from the wall. Those little hooks right there hook onto the back of those little tangs holding it up. And the culprit back here is a broken nut. That little silver nut right there is plastic, and that thing broke in half. So I figured I'd make a trip to the hardware store, see if I could find a new one of these. It's also got a little O-ring. I went up to the hardware store and I couldn't find a nut like that, which is unfortunate. Oh, real quick, those little tangs, if they bend out at all when you pull the tower out, just make sure you push them back in. I'll show you why here in a second. They hook on those, just lift up and out. So I got that, thinking I could just put a hose clamp on it. I'm in a small town and a small hardware store, and they didn't have a plastic nut for that. It was kind of an oddball thing. But the hose clamp didn't work. And that thing was pretty loose because those little tangs, I bent them out, getting the thing out. So anyways, I super glued this plastic nut back together. Probably not going to be the strongest thing, but I put it back together and it did work. So we'll see how long it holds. Just a quick tip, this is how I caulk. I put 2 strips of painter's tape down there just so I can get a straight line. And did that on both sides, just keep from making a mess. And then I just bought a little tube at the hardware store. Didn't want to break out the big caulk gun. When you pull that tape off, just pull it at a 45-degree angle away from the caulk line, and it'll make a straight line, and it'll look pretty professional. Keep you from smearing it and getting all over your fingers and gooing it all up. So 45-degree angle. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Pretty straight and narrow. Did a pretty good job. This thing held. Hopefully it'll last forever, but if not, I'll do it again. Here's another tip. They don't caulk this bottom area because they won't. Oh, there comes the Aussie Shepherds. There's Arrow. Ace is in the back. So they don't caulk this because the idea is to let the water come out from underneath, but that water doesn't come out. It stays there and it turns pink and gets smelly and funky. So I cleaned it out real good, dried it off, and then I'm running a bead of caulk along that bottom rail right there, so I don't have to deal with any funky smells underneath that track. And here's what it looks like finished. Hopefully it lasts. Have a great day.